The pin is part of your nailer's trigger assembly. It secures the trigger and allows it to pivot. The pin is secured by a urethane ring. If the ring fails, the pin will often come loose and be lost. Replacing the pin is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the trigger from the nail gun. The trigger is secured with a pin and a urethane ring. To remove it, I'll push the pin out with a punch. Now I can install the new pin. I'll place the spring inside the trigger and align the other end of the spring with the trigger valve. I'll need to compress the spring as I place the trigger valve back into the housing. Once it's in place, I can install the pin. I'll turn the gun over and secure the pin with the urethane ring. And that's all it takes to install a new pin in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.